Hey, so it's day 3 of owning the Beneteau, and Stella's here and giving me a hand, and we have made a lot of progress taking all the squabs off. We've got the batteries going in here. I'll just swap the screen around and show you how far we've gone. So in here in the cabin we got batteries underneath the squabs. It's hard to see. But batteries, inverter, big fat charger, and we got batteries up to float now. Everything's going really well. Got all the electronics working on it, even though they're old and cleaned up. And in here, all the squabs have had the covers taken off, and we just had them washed. And most importantly, this is our cabin, so every surface has been wiped down, nice clean, and all the covers have been on the squabs. They're really nice and clean now. We got windows open, hatches open, front head, it's all cleaned up, all the mold's gone, nice area to live in. So yeah, heaps of progress. Still looks like a bomb site, but we're getting there.